Hello, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make some easy string bracelets. This first style is the spiral bracelet. I am using 6 strings in 3 color combinations, light pink, rose, and fuchsia. Each string is about 24 inches in length. But you can use as many colored string as you like. The more cords you have, the thicker the bracelet will be. Tie a knot leaving about 1 inch at the end. I begin with my light pink thread and start on the left side. I make a number 4. Wrap the light pink thread around all the cords and pull it upward to tighten. This is called a left knot. I make several left knots, then I switch to make right knots. I continue to switch back and forth to make the spiral effect. As you make more knots, it will start to spiral. Once I finish the 3 colors, I will start with the light pink thread again. Make sure to use the light pink thread that is longer in length to even out the cords. Do the same for the rose and fuchsia thread. Continue knotting until the bracelet is the right length for you, holding all the strands together and tie a knot to complete the bracelet. Next, I'll be making the chevron styled bracelet. Cut 2 threads of each color about 18 to 24 inches in length each. Arrange the thread evenly on both sides. Use 10 threads in 5 different colors. Start on the left side and work toward the middle. With my white strand on the left, I wrap it around the rose-colored strand and pull it upward to tighten. I tie each knot twice with the same strand. I continue to make left knots with my white strand across the remaining 3 strands. Once I reach the center, I stop. Now, starting on the right side, I work toward the middle. Make right knots with my white strand. The right knot is wrapping the strand on the right around the strand next to it and pull upward. Now I make a knot in the center with the 2 white threads to connect the 2 sides. Remember to tie the knot twice. Start again on the left side with your rose-colored strand. Make left knots across 4 strands. Make right knots with the rose-colored strand across 4 strands. Make a knot in the middle to connect. You can see that the chevron V pattern will form. Continue knotting until the bracelet is the right length for you. The 2 bracelets that we did, and stay tuned for more bracelet ideas. And thank you for watching!